Hey Pixel lovers, so I heard none of you are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, reconsider this, subscribe to the channel and hit that alert button so we can make some future videos. So let's make some videos. So let's get into it. Alright, your gumball machine is completely finished. Okay, alright, that'll be $100 an hour. And you're gonna throw... I ain't paying no bill. Ooh, what's this? I know we have a gumball machine. Wonder what's... Ah! Oh no. What the... Oh no, I just can't see him like this. Much better. What, Brick? I like to trap you. What, you want me to let you out? No. Fine. You have to ruin my fun. Oh, I hate that. You're out! What's this? They just don't put... What? Oh, let me try to get you out. Don't do it. I don't know how shall I do it. Ouch. Fiddly. What the heck? Guys, why are you trapping a gumball machine? I don't know why this video is gonna have to be a minute. But why? Okay. Ouch. There you go. You're unstuck. Now I need just to do one thing, is to put it back in the... Maybe you should just get out of there so it won't destroy you, idiot. Oh, what's that? No, don't. Okay. What happened? I don't know. Oh, what's this? Oh, no. Oh. They're just a little bit dumb. I can't help them. They're just too dumb. Should we do something? I don't honestly know. But they're just too dumb. Whoever be stupid enough to do that again. Ooh, a gumball. Maybe it's just... No. You know what? Go to sleep. What? You're leaving them? Yeah. Put the plug in there. What? Have a nice night. Alright, good night. Alright, rise and shine, boys. Alright, let's get you out. Gonna do doctor stuff. Doctor stuff? Alright. Oh. Okay. Alright, how are we gonna get them out? Push it. No, I just paid for it. It's fragile. Don't do it. No, don't. Sorry, it's the only way to get them out. No, please, it comes with the... Fragile and warranted. Guys, are you okay? Ow, that hurts. Well, guys, I hope you learned your lesson to, not climb into a gumball machine. You promise. No, 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 no. Ah. It didn't even break. No. Hey, guys, it's me, Lightning, and Nick. I just wanted you to know we had a new banner in the new one. And I'm pretty sure we're going to keep it in permanently this time. But I don't know about this. But don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on these notifications, and we'll post brand new videos. Thanks again. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And I'll see you guys in next time. And you got a friend in me. See you later, Pixar lovers.